Now in this lecture I will be doing exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 of polynomial. So question number 1, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, verify the relation between all the zeros in coefficient. See, let me take this. Let me take this here side by side so you can easily see what is happening here. Now, see, from question number 1, first part. First part is x square minus 2x minus 8. How to find the zeros? First substitute x equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 minus 2 minus 8. This is not to be shown on paper. Not to be shown from paper. This is minus of 9. You need more factor of this. So if you go by x, putting x equal to 2, x equal to 2, this is 204 minus 204 minus 8. It's not still not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. So x put x equal to 3. This is a 9 minus 3 to the 6 minus 8. Still not giving 0. This is 4th. Still not equal to 0. Now you take, see, 4 you have check. Now check minus sign. Take x equal to minus 1. Then minus 1, this is 1 plus 2 minus 8. Not 0. Minus 2, if you take minus 2, then it is 2 to the 4 minus of 2 into minus 2, this is 2 to the 4 minus 8, which will give you 0. This is not 0, this will give you 0. Now one of the root is minus 2. So if you know that one of the root is minus 2, then you can easily get how to solve this question. See, this is x square. You can write it as x square. And see, x minus 2 is a root, so x plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2. This you can write as x. I'm writing again this question. X square minus 2x minus 8. You know that x plus 2 is a factor of this. X plus 2 is a factor of this. So you can write this as x square plus 2. See, x plus 2 is a factor. If you multiply x here, you will get x square plus 2x. So you need to write x plus 2x here. You write x plus 2x here, or simply you can even divide that also. If you know that this is this, you can divide this as also. If you divide this by x plus 2, this is x square minus 2x minus 8. This is one doing same thing. This is x square plus 2x. This subtract this, then this will get cancelled, and this will minus 4x minus 8. If you this factor minus 4, so this will minus 4x minus 8. Subtract this, will become plus. This will become plus. This will cancel, and this here it will become 0. This can be written as x plus 2. This expression can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 4. From here zeros will be x equal to minus 2 and plus 4. By equating to 0, but this 0. Alpha is this, let's one, and beta is this. When substituting, doing alpha plus beta is plus 2, and this is from equation is minus of 2 by 1, and alpha and beta is equal to minus 8, with here this is this by 1 factor. So hence prove that this is the relationship. and same thing with this and this also you can do, but I'm just doing the factorization part. Just you can easily do. I will help you find the 0. The second part is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. This plus 1. So here, this is not as simple as it is looking. So if you take s equals plus 2, what it becomes? 4 4 the 16 minus 4 2 the 8 plus 1. 16 17 minus 8 not equal to 0. You take s equal to 1. I am not taking the s3 is 4 minus 4 plus 1 is not equal to 0. If you take minus 2 cannot take, if you take minus then this sign will become plus and this expression will never become 0. So next is s equal to plus 3. See this 3 3 ka square 9 minus 4 3 is 12 plus 1. 9 for 36 minus 12 plus 1, nothing. You are still getting nothing. Now this means it's a other trick you need to solve this question. So 1 2 3 you have taken. Now for this equals to 0, you know by quadratic equation that value of s is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. The short trick which you will learn in next chapter, quadratic equation. So s if you take minus b is minus of plus this is plus 4 plus minus under root b square 4 for 16 minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a. What is a? 4. Nothing but s equals 4 plus minus under root 416, this is 0 by 4 to the 8. Is that s equals to half. S equals to half, which implies that both the roots are half. So s plus minus half is a factor, and if you divide this expression with s minus half, you will still get s minus half only square, or you can minus half, then you can get some constant expression and other factor way s minus half into put, and this will solve. This is two roots are alpha and beta, and they are all same, so half and half. Now third is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. You can write it as, I'm always saying that always write it decreasing degree by minus 7x minus 3. This is nothing but nothing. If you put see value of x can be given as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by plus minus 2a. So x is minus b, here b is minus 7, so this will be plus 7. And b square is minus 7 whole square will be 49 minus 4 into a is 6 into c is minus 3 by 2 into 6. 2 into 2 into 6. S equals 7 plus minus under root 49 plus 12 into 6 12, 72, 72 by 12. If you add this is x 7 plus minus 121. Under root 121, 12. Under root 121 will be 11. So this will give you value of x as 7 plus minus 11 by 12, which is nothing but 10 alpha. You can say that this is 7 plus 11 by 12, which is nothing but 18 by 12. This is nothing but 9 by 4. And beta, you can say this is minus part, and so this will be minus 4 by 12, nothing but 1 by 3. And if you add the 2 and do alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then this will satisfy this equation. And from next fourth, 4u square plus 8u equal to 0. If you take u common, 4u common, it becomes u plus this plus u plus 2 equals 0. From here u is 0 and u is minus 2. This is alpha minus 2. This is beta. You can use this tech test. So the answer is t square minus 15. But next is t square minus 15 is 0. So value of t is equal to plus minus under root 15. So one value is plus root 15, the value is minus root 15. Alpha is this, one is beta. Next 3x square minus x minus 4 equals 0. So from here, if you substitute the value of x as minus 1, it will become 1, x minus 1 square 1. This is minus 1 to 1, minus 4, 3 plus 1, 4 to 0 only. So minus 1 is factor, so x plus 1 is factor. So factor means 3x square plus 3. X plus 1 factor, you multiply with 3x, this will be 3x. This 3x and it is minus 1, minus x. So this will be plus of minus 4x minus 4. If you take 3x common, this will become x plus 1. The minus 4 common, this is x plus 1. So the expression will be x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 into 0. So value of x is minus 1 comma 4 by 3. This is alpha, this is beta. Solve this and you get the answer. Now next, question number 2. Find the quadratic polynomial each with given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum and product 0 respectively. See, nothing you have to do. One is alpha, other is beta. So alpha plus beta, you will get some value. Suppose this is n, bit n, and alpha beta, you get value n. So you know the expression is x square plus alpha plus beta minus, sorry, this is minus beta x plus alpha beta equals 0. Plus is 0. So substitute the value. This is m, this is n here, and simply get the answer. 1 1 should be minus 2x plus 1. If it is your wish that if there is a fraction here or here, 1 by 4 or this, can substitute the, you can take LCM and this 4 goes from here, and you can multiply this, and 1 4 from goes here. Then in the coefficient of x squared there will be 4 or 3, something like that. So see what is the time. So let us discuss next. Division by divide this polynomial by x plus 2. We have done division. Divide this polynomial by x plus 2. So x plus 2 need to divide. You need to, this is the divisor, you need to divide this square plus 3x plus 1. So for making x as 2x square, it will be 2 multiplied by 2x. So this is 2x square. Now 2 into 2x will 4x. And you need to subtract to get this cancelled. Subtraction, so this becomes 0, 0, and this will become minus of x. If you take 1 as this. Now there is x, there is minus 1 x, so this will be minus 1. Multiply this with minus, this will become minus of x minus of 2. And since we need to subtract this 2, so this will become plus and this will also become plus. This will divide, this will get cancelled, and 1 plus 1 and plus 2 will give plus 3. And same thing has been done here. So this can be written as quotient plus remainder, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divide this by this. See, I have told you that always try to write this in decreasing degree form. Now 1 plus 2x plus x square, to write it correctly, this will be x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is to be divided, is to be made as a divisor, proper form, and this is given as dividend is 3x square plus 2, 3x plus 2x square plus 2x plus 5. Plus 5. Now for x squared, convert into 3x cube. This is multiplied, we have to multiply 3x. So 3x cube, this into 2x is 3x cube, then 3x into 2x is 6x square, and 3x into 1 is 3x. And to subtract this 2, this will get cancelled, and from this 1 minus 6 is minus 5x square, and 2x minus 3x is minus of x, and minus of 15, plus it is plus 5, so plus of 5 get dropped from here to here. Now the x squared is minus 5x square, so it has to be multiplied by minus 5. So this minus 5x becomes minus 5x square, and minus 5 into 2 is minus 10x, and minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now since this has to be subtracted, this is this plus, this is plus, and this one also plus. This will get cancelled, and this here will be left with minus x plus 10x is 9x, and 10 plus 5 plus 5 is plus 10. So this is how we get your say. Now if we say now divide this by this and verify the division algorithm. Divide this by the define division algorithm. Now let's say that it is, if it this x square minus x square plus x minus 1. This is divisor. I have adjusted divided in decreasing degree form. Now dividend is 3x square. No, sorry. This has also been written in decreasing degree form. This implies that minus of x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So minus x square into minus x cube, you need to multiply by plus of x. Minus x will become minus x cube plus x square minus x. Now if you subtract this will be plus, this will become minus, and this will be plus. This will be cancelled, and from 3x square minus x square you 2x square. From here this will become minus 3x plus x is minus 2x plus 5. 5 dropped from 5 dropped from here to here. Now for minus 2x square to become plus 2, this will have to multiply by minus 2. So minus 2 will become minus 2x square and minus 2x plus 2. Now if you subtract this, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, and this becomes minus. This is 2. So this will cancel. This will minus 2 plus this also become cancelled, and here you will left with 5 minus 2 is 3. So this will become this one 3. So if you multiply dividend as you will multiply divisor into quotient and add you this, it will give you the original dividend given in the quotient. This is a division algorithm, has to be verified, hence it will get verified. Next question, if find the zeros of this if you know that two of zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. See, if two are minus root 2 and plus root 2 is gone and then minus root 2, so if these are zeros, so you know that if a and b are zeros, then x minus a and x minus b will be zero, will be factor, and multiplication of 2 will also give a factor. So putting the value x minus x plus root 2 and so this is plus 2, so x minus root 2. For this I am writing for this with this, and from this into x minus of minus root 2. So this will become x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, and if you multiply this, look at that, this is nothing but x square minus 2 is a factor. Find all the zeros. We need to find all the zeros. So for all the zeros, the px polynomial, for this to be factor, the px polynomial should be have a remainder 0. You need to check even if you know that this remainder is 0. So value of to divide continuously, so this is 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now 2x from x square to get 2x 4, you need to multiply by 2x square. So this will become 2x square into x square is x square 4 minus of 4x square. And if this is minus, this is plus, this will become cancelled, and from here this is minus 3x cube. This is x square and x square. So this x square and the square will this is plus 4 minus this will become x square plus 6x minus 2. When you know that to get minus 3x cube from x square, you need to multiply by minus 3x. So minus 3x because this is minus 3x cube, this will give plus 6x. plus 6x. And if you minus subtract this one is plus and this one minus. This can cancel, this will also get cancelled, and in the end you will get x minus square minus 2, which you know that if you multiply this by 1, you get the exact x square minus 2. Subtract this, you will get 0. And then 0. So this is plus 1. So remainder is 0, which implies that 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is other factor. Implies that 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is another factor, which need to be equated to 0 to get the other two roots. Now, we equate this to 0, then it becomes, see, if you substitute this, if you substitute value of x as positive, this will never become 0, because plus 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 can never become 0. 1 plus 2 plus 3 never becomes 0. Even there need to be 1 minus 2 plus 3 to make at least some negative part get cancelled with positive to get the 0. So you need to first substitute the value of x as minus 1. If you substitute value of x minus 1, this expression become minus 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1, this square plus 1. So this square become 2 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 0. 2 plus 1 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0, which implies that x minus 1 is a factor. Now if you directly write here 2x square, x plus 1 is x plus 1 is a factor, so 2x square plus, you can write 2x, then plus 3x and 1, 3x is broken into 2x, and then another one will be x plus 1. And if you take 2x common, there is x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now if you take x plus 1 common, it will become 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which implies that x equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus half is the other roots, other zeros of this. So say that x equal to 1 minus 1. Minus 3x plus 1. Okay. Oh, I have written this as minus. Oh, my mistake. You need to be right minus. This is minus, then x plus 1 will be, if you put x equal to 1, if you put x equals 1, then 2 plus 1 is 3 and minus 3 becomes 0, and x plus 1 will be, x minus 1 will be factor, and if you write x minus 1 here, then if the two roots become x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Of the other roots will be this thing. Now next is exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. How much time I am having? Let's check. Oh God. 1:30. So I think I'm doing it in next lecture. Next lecture, no, I can continue. I think I can do in half an hour. So in half an hour, I will need to finish it in half an hour. So in question 2.3, divide the polynomial by this by this. See, x square minus 2 is it x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So there will be x, it become x cube, x cube minus 2x is 2x square, 2x, sorry, 2x. You can, if this is minus, this will become subtract, this will become plus. So here you can, this becomes cancelled, minus 3x square, this is plus 2 and plus 5 is x, which will give you plus 7x minus 3. Now you see it will drop from here. Now second is x square to minus 3x, x square to minus, this will become minus 3. The middle is minus 3, it becomes minus 3x square, minus 3 plus 2, this become plus of 6. If you subtract this, this will become positive, this will become negative. This is drop from here to here only, so this will get cancelled, and this is 7x minus 9. 7x minus 9. So first question, first part is over. First question, second part. This is x square plus 1 minus x, and the question x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So x square to x power 4, x into multiply x power 2, x power 4, and you need to write minus x plus 1 this. First you need to write this as minus x plus 1. Then x square into minus x is minus x plus x square. So subtract, this minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. So this will get cancelled, and x power cube using plus sign minus, this is minus 3x square minus x, this will become minus 4x square plus 4x plus 5. Now from x square to x cube, to multiply with what? X. So x cube minus x square plus x. To subtract this will become minus, this one plus, this one minus, this will become cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square will be minus 3x square, and 4 minus 1x is plus 3x plus 5. So now next you need to, for x square to minus x, 3x square, it will multiply with minus 3. It will become minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x minus 3. So if you subtract this, this will minus become plus, this plus become minus, and this minus become plus. So this will give you 0. This will cancel to this one 0, and this will become also cancelled. Become 8. Sorry, 8. So the first question, second part is also done. The next part is two minus x square is written as minus x square plus 2. Polynomial is x4 minus 5x plus 6 minus x2 x4 minus x square to multiply by minus x square. So it become minus x, this minus into minus plus, and x power 4. So minus 2x square. Subtract this 2. So it become cancelled. The plus 2x square to plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Now minus x square to plus 2x square into multiply by minus 2. It become 2x square, and this minus 2 to plus 2 multiplication will give plus minus 4. You subtract this become minus, this become plus. So this is 5. So minus 5, this become cancelled. Minus 5x plus 4 is 10. This is the answer. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 2. Check whether first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing second polynomial by first polynomial. So here first question. This is written in exactly the same form. So t square minus 3 is a divisor, and 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now t squared to 2t4 into multiply by 2t square. So multiply this to become 2t to the power 4 minus 3 into 2t square is minus 60 square. Minus 60 square. Plus 3t square. Now if you subtract, this becomes this minus and plus, this will cancel. 3t square, so 3t square minus 6. This is plus, this one plus, so minus 3t cube. 3t square, no. 660 square minus 2t square is 4t square. 4t square, then this is minus 90 minus 12. No, for t square, 3t cube, we will multiply by 3t. This is 3t cube minus 90 minus 90. If you subtract this minus this plus, this is get cancelled, this is cancelled. There is 40 square minus 12. Now for this you need to multiply by 4 to get 40 square, plus 4 you get to 40 square minus 40 12. Here minus this. If you subtract this to this all will get cancelled and remainder 0. Since remainder is 0, it's direct t square t is a factor of second polynomial. First polynomial factor of second polynomial. Second question, second part. Now written in correct form, decreasing degree. X square plus 3x plus 1 3x power 4 plus 5x cube 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Now for x square to 3x power 4, we will multiply by 3x square. So if you multiply this by this, this becomes 3x power 4 plus 3 into 3, 9x cube. 9x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square. You subtract this. And this one cancelled. 5 minus 9 is minus 4x cube. Minus this minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Now 3x square. Now for x square to minus 4x cube, you need to multiply with minus 4x. Minus 4x. So minus 4 into x square minus 4x cube. No, sorry, minus x into minus 4x cube. Minus 3x square minus x. Subtract these two. So this become plus, this become plus, this become plus. So this will get cancelled. Minus 10 plus minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7x square plus 3x plus 2. 3 plus 2. Now for this x square there is minus 7, hence you need to multiply it by minus 7. Minus 7x square minus 21x minus 7. So this, if you subtract, it will become plus, this will become plus, and this will become plus. This x will become cancelled, and from plus plus, this will become 24x plus 9. Since remainder is not equal to 0, hence the first polynomial modified of second polynomial. Okay. Now, next is second, third part. Second, third part. It is written in correct form. Yes. X cube minus 3x plus 1 3x4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square plus 12. No. This is x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Now for x cube to x5, we need to multiply by x square. So x cube, this is x5 minus 3x square plus x square. Now 3x cube to x square. So subtract this one minus. So we will cancel, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus x cube, and this will become cancel. So x cube plus 3x plus 1. So for minus x cube to minus x cube, we want to multiply minus 1. Minus x cube plus 3x, this is plus 1, and this will become minus 1. Sorry, this is plus 1. Plus 1. Question is 1, 3 plus 1. You subtract this. What is happening? Plus, minus, and plus. X square plus x square, it can cancel plus 3x plus 1, that is negative. So and minus, if we multiply this by minus 1, so this minus will just become plus and this will be minus. And this will be cancel, this is cancel, but the remainder will be 2. Means this will also not be a factor. Now obtain all the zeros of this if 2 of zeros are this and this. 2 of zeros are this and this. So nothing to worry. We will do that if 2 zeros are a and b, then s minus a and x minus b are factors. If you multiply the two, you get a polynomial which you need to divide it by. Just need to divide this to polynomial to get other zeros. Now, this is given that under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3 are zeros. So x minus root 5 by 3 and x into x plus under root 5 by 3. And if you multiply these two, you get x square minus 5 by 3 using a square minus b square. This is the factor. Now you need to divide this whole equation by this. So x square minus 5 by 3 and we need this thing. And the polynomial is 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So for x square to 3x4, you need to multiply by 3x square. So from here to here, this is 3x4. Now 3 into 3, 3 by 3 is 1, so minus 5x square. Minus 5x square. So if you subtract it to this is minus, this becomes plus, and this thing becomes cancelled. So answer will be 6x cube plus 5 minus 2 is 3. This is plus and this is minus half. 3x minus 10x minus 5. Now x square to 6x cube into multiply by 6x 6. So this is 6x cube. 6 into 3 by 3 is 2 minus 10x. So minus 10x. Subtract the 2. Get that this can cancel. This can cancel. Another 3x square minus 5. So for here x square to 3x square, we need to multiply by 3. So this is 3x square. 3 by 3 is 1 minus 5. Minus 5. Just subtract the 2 minus plus plus and this get 0. So 3x square plus 6x minus 3. So 3x square plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0 is the other factor. Now if you can see that if you put x equal to 1 here, this will become 3 plus 6 minus 3. Sorry, if you this is not equal to 0, and if you put x equal minus 1, then this becomes 3 of minus 6 minus 3. See the factor. X square plus 6x minus 3. So 3x square plus 6x minus 3. A simple thing will be, first take this at least think this is 3 is common to all. For easy calculation, now if we take 3 is common, x square plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and if you say that this is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. Now in the expression whole square, this will be, this is value of x will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. From here x will be x will be minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 by 2, rather x equal to minus 1 plus minus root 2. So other roots are minus 1, minus root 2, and other is minus 1 plus root 2. These two are other 0. See, next is on dividing this by polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder where this and this. Find the dx. Quotient and remainder is given in a gx. So the question is a good question. Now so if see, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If I take it to be at px equal to, this is I take gx into this qx, this is rx. This you are given this, not quotient you are given, and remainder is also given. You need to calculate gx. From here you can see that if you do like this and divide it by qx, you get gx. That is dividend minus remainder upon quotient will give you divisor gx. I will do the same thing. Divisor is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, I need to minus with remainder. Remainder is minus of x plus 4. So if you open this is x square, this is 3 minus 3x square, x cube is x cube plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4. So this is nothing but x cube minus 3x square, x and 2x will give 3x, 2 minus 4 is minus of 2. you need to divide this with your quotient of x minus 2. So x minus 2 will be here, and we need to divide it by divide this. X minus 2 single, it will be x cube minus so here will be minus 3x square plus 3x minus. Now for x to x cube you need to multiply with x square. X square into x, this is x cube minus 2x square. If you subtract this will become plus minus and then plus. So this will cancel, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus x square, and here you will get plus 3x minus 2. Now from x to so this if you so x, so if you multiply this by minus x, this become minus x square. So minus of x square minus of 2x, this will be 2x. So if you subtract the 2, it becomes plus, this will be minus, cancel. So 3 minus 2 is 1, so x minus 2. Now for x minus 2 to multiply this you need plus 1. So x minus 2, so you subtract, become 0. 0. So your divisor, or you can say IS, you find the gx. Your polynomial gx is x square minus x plus 1. That's it. Now fifth, give example of polynomial px square j which satisfy the given algorithm. Px equal degree of px in degree of qx. Degree of px in degree of qx. See, generally it is written that p of x equal g of x into q of x plus r of x. Degree of p is degree of q. Degree of p is degree of q. So take an example, x plus 3, and you can take x plus 2, which is written as equals one into x plus 2 plus 2. The degree of this is same. Next, degree of q, degree of r of x. Q of x is equal r of x. Yes, this can also be true. Quotient is similar. P of x is, so example would be, next example would be the degree is same. So degree is same. remember degree of quotient and degree of remainder is same. So assuming this is x plus 2 equals qx is 1, qx is suppose 3, and for gx to be, divide this by this, it will get gx as x by 3 plus 2, x plus 2. The degree of this and this will be equal. This will be equal. Q of x is this. Degree of r of x is 0. Degree of r is degree of r x is 1. Degree of, you can also give this example, simple. Now, verify exercise 2.1. This will be done in next class. Thank you.